Welcome back to another lecture on the basic English, and I am Dr. Naresh Kumar Sharma, and you are watching my educational YouTube channel Jupiter Nexus. So in this lecture we will cover the basics of English, and gradually we will move on the advanced levels, and in the further upcoming lectures we will cover the Ren and Martin High School English grammar. Some glimpse about the English language, what is English language, and how many peoples in the world are knowing this, speaking this. So in the modern English, it is widely considered as the lingua franca of the world. Lingua franca means a language that is shared by most of the peoples as a communication language, in the different native languages to talk with each other. Around 88 countries in the English where the English is an official language, but all around the world the English is very well known for the communication language. So about 20% of the world population also speaks English. It is the data of 2025. Then the alphabetic distribution, as we already discussed, that this is the basic English language video from the scratch so that everyone could understand. And so there are 26 letters, as we already know. Out of these, five are vowels, which are A, E, I, O, and U. In some instances, Y and W also called vowels, but they are not completely vowels, because as we all know that without vowel there is no word exist. But just like fly, cry, they are also without vowels, but there is a semi vowel called W and Y, and the remaining other 21 letters are called consonants. So, and there is some basic knowledge about the articles A and N. We will cover the articles in the upcoming lectures in a very detailed manner. So, N always comes with those letters who sounds like alif, whose sound comes with alif, starts with alif, like our, apple, umbrella. So, this is the sound of alif. And A always comes with those words whose sound not starts with alif, like a book, university, pineapple, pillow, anything that do not have a sound of alif in the starting. The A comes always with those words. So, what is letter? A letter is any vocal sound that gives a complete sense, just like A, B, D. These are the sounds, but they gives a complete sense that we are talking about the alphabetic order. A word is a combination of letters that gives a complete sense or a meaning. Though there are different types of words, just like simple, compound, and complex words. Simple words are those words whose pronounced in a one rhythm, in a one mean, just like book, study, play, cry, fly, in a single one rhythm. And compound words are those words which are pronounced in two rhythms, just like cupboard, classroom, but they also gives a one meaning, not a two meanings. They gives a one meanings. Word also always gives a one meaning, and they pronounced their rhythms should be two, three, or even more. So in compound words, cupboard, classroom, in complex words, there are more than two, three rhythms, but their meaning should be one, just like merry-go-round, nevertheless. So, this is the complex words. So, word syllable. What is mean by word syllable? Syllable means a sound, just like monosyllable. A word that gives a one sound, just like book, cat, dog. So, this is the monosyllable. Disyllable means those words who gives two sounds, just like mango, orange. Though they gives it two sounds. The other is trisyllable. Trisyllable means gives a three sounds, just like beautiful, beautiful. If we put a force on a beautiful, it gives a three sounds. Polysyllable means polysyllable means gives more than three sounds, just like responsibilities, citizenship. So they gives a more than three syllables, more than three sounds. So this is all about a basic English lecture. Thank you so much.